I've got a Sephora Play unboxing and a try on. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. If you're new here, take just a moment to subscribe to add a little chaos to your day. I wanted to unbox this for you. I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and I know a lot of times people ask me, what do you think about the box? And this way I can just go watch my video. You can see for yourself what you think. Spoiler alert, I love it. First thing you do is you get 50 points for any in-store purchase with this little card. And I've never actually used mine. It also comes with, you know, a cute little flyer and some instructions. Feel the love. This little bag says feel the love. I have not seen this yet, but I did leave some of my makeup off so that I could do a little try on for you. Let's start with the perfume. In every box, I can't say every because last month I didn't get a perfume sample, but in most boxes you get a little perfume sample to try out. You get several uses out of this. I just have a stash. I don't even have to buy perfume because I have a stash. Let's give this a spray. It's very flowery. Let that adjust to my body chemistry. Perfume smells different on everyone. If you didn't know that, the more you know. Okay, this is Pharmacy. This is Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I love fun cleansers. It makes taking off your makeup as much fun as putting on your makeup. This is filling up my room, so it's kind of hard to smell this. Let's give this another try. Oh, very clean smelling. It's like I said, the perfume, the Chloe perfume is kind of all I can smell. But this smells very clean, very, very clean. That's all I can think about. I'll be using this tonight. Now I have Laura Mercier Eye Color in Rose Gold. Let's give it a try. Well, it's certainly easy enough to put on, and it's a beautiful color. That's fantastic. This is perfect. I really, really like this. This is a really super easy to do, you know, eye color. Sometimes you don't want to do a big, drawn out 30-minute eye look. Sometimes you just want to slap something on and go, and these kind of things are really perfect for that. That went on super creamy, super easy to apply. Let me let you have a look. Very just go-to everyday kind of color.
I remember I painted that.
Yes. Okay, we've got NARS Velvet Lip Pencil in a very fuchsia shade. I've got lipstick on, so let's bring a helper in. Come on, Mel.
Don't mind my sweatiness. I just went on a bike ride.
No one's
and I'm about to go to gymnastics.
Try this on. Try this on for the people.
That's a nice sound.
Woo! It's bright. It is bright pink, isn't it?
Walking up.
It's hot out here. It's really pretty though.
The fact that it's a pencil makes it way easier to not overline.
Mm-hmm. It does. Looks good. It looks really good.
Should I give him a close-up?
Yeah, give him a close-up.
There
you go. Yeah. I'm leaving that. I can tell you right now. So that's really pretty. She liked that. And it looks beautiful on my daughter. I'm sure it'll look equally beautiful on me. Right, Mel?
Yes. I also have a question.
Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I really love skincare samples. I love to try new things. This is kind of menthol smelling. I love to try new skincare products, and these deluxe size samples are really perfect for just knowing if I'm gonna like it and want to continue using it. We've got one more thing. See, doesn't that feel like a lot of stuff? This is Sephora Rouge Matte, and it is a lipstick. So 2 lipsticks this time. Kithy, kithy. Woo, doggies, look at that. This is vampy. Let's try it. It's really, really pretty. That's it for the Sephora box. Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just take a minute to click that picture just above me. That will subscribe you to my channel. And below, I'd like you to tell me what you did on Valentine's Day. Be blessed.